Hello, welcome back to iAutoAgent. Today we have a very special car. It is a 1976 Datsun 280Z, and it has been redone, and this thing is beautiful. Now it has a new motor, and there are about 300 miles on the motor, so it hasn't been driven too much since it's been restored. And I'm telling you, there is not much to show you as far as imperfections. This car is beautiful. Let's take a look at the tires. Plenty of good life left on these tires. They're brand new. This is the driver's side rear. And we'll go around to the passenger side rear. And this is the passenger side front. And let's get a look inside. This door is fantastic. New stereo system, at least new speakers. And the new head unit. The amps are TX from the 70s, believe it or not. TX. Fine Japanese company. This driver's seat is in fantastic condition. Just a little imperfection right there. No big deal. See the steering wheel. Beautiful. Get a look at the odometer. And look at the tachometer. And it's got a nice complement of gauges. Climate controls. New Alpine head unit. And it is a manual transmission. Beautiful. Get a look at this ceiling. Very nice. And let's go get a look at the passenger side. This door, just outstanding. Great work done on this vehicle. Beautiful. Just like this seat. Also in beautiful condition, this passenger seat. And as you can see, the dash is fantastic. No sun damage whatsoever. Let's open up the rear. Just beautiful. Custom speaker box There's a sub under the Z facing downward, and these Kenwood 6x9s. No damage from loading and unloading, obviously. In fantastic shape. Go. And so, let's take a listen to how this vehicle sounds. And that is the right key. Oh wow, that is a heavy 6. They said it's got a bigger cam and bigger heads. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, that's serious, all right. And let's take a listen up close. Oh. I must be doing something wrong. Hang on, we're getting a little help here. Go ahead. Show you the... Okay, now we're gonna get to take a look at this beautiful engine. To get it from the other side, but look at all the detail. It's just beautiful. And the inside with the custom Z, custom chrome parts all over. Just beautiful. We're gonna leave that. There is only one more thing to show you, and that is a minor imperfection right here. See, from 4 feet away you can't even see it, and that is the only thing with this car. Otherwise it's beautiful. And so there you have it. If you would like to learn more about this 1976 Datsun 280Z, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.